Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the problem with the Windows 11. It's a new issue. I got a recent problem with my laptop. So what is the problem is when I am turning on my PC, my laptop, I start to type. It's not typing at all. Even I go to using internet, Google Chrome, I am trying to type, is not typing. So all I have to do, I need to restart. I need to restart the laptop and then it will be fine. But this is not convenience. So I am restarting now. We go to here, Windows Start, then shut down or sign out, restart. So I'm restarting my Windows 11 and it will be fine, but usually we are turning on the laptop, so we can not restart every time. Is not solving the problem. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue. Now I restarted. I am able to type. So how we fix this issue, I will show you step by step. So first press Windows key plus X and find the device manager. Here, device manager. Now we need to find here keyboards, and then expand it. Okay, so you found the name of your keyboard. Now right click on your keyboard, right click, and then uninstall device. Uninstall device. You are about to uninstall this device from your system. Uninstall. Yeah. To finish removing the device, you must restart your computer. Do you want to restart your computer now? Yes. So when we restart in our computer, the Windows will automatically install updated keyboard, new keyboard for your PC or laptop. And we are restarting. Okay, now this we will shut down. The new keyboard has been installed, so we need to shut down the laptop. Here, shutting down. And then now turning on. All right, now we start to check if we can type, use the keyboards. No, so this method doesn't work. We will try another method. The second method, please type here in the search keyboard and check here hardware. This is your keyboard. Is no any fault here? If it's no any fault, okay. Then again type keyboard. Hardware, properties, the device. This device is working properly. Okay. So that means is no issue with your keyboard. Now we are moving to last and third method. So please type in the search area control panel. Here is control panel. Go to control panel and then go to hardware and sound. Hardware and sound. Click on hardware and sound. All right. So here we need to choose power options. Power options. Click on power options, and then choose here on the left side. Choose what the power button does. All right. So now we see turn on fast startup is ticked. We need to uncheck it, untick it, because this is preventing to the keyboard when switching on the laptop to note doesn't work. So we go to change settings, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Yeah, now you will be able to uncheck. Please uncheck only turned on fast startup recommended. Uncheck it. And then don't forget to save changes as was recommended. That's it. Now we need to close. Close. All right. Now we need to restart. Restart, and then also we will shut down, then turn it on, and hopefully should be fine. This will make your startup a little bit slower than usual because you disabled fast startup, but it's fine because you will be able to use the keyboard easily without restarting. Now we will shut down. Shutting down the Windows 11. Once shut down, It's shut down. Now I will turn the power on. Let's see, this time we will be able to type and use the keyboard. Because every night I need to restart my laptop to be able to type and to use the keyboard. Now we disabled fast startup. Let's see if we can use the keyboard and type. Yes, it's done. It's done. Now we can use the keyboard by disabling fast startup. This was working for me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.